Catacombs, Carini, Sicily, Italy. Go inside and buy your tickets. So I just bought the tickets in that building on the left. Catacombs is over there, I don't see anything. On the right we've got some toilets and a little museum, which is actually not opened, there's nothing in there. It is really cold and there's nowhere to wait. She said 5 o'clock, but she took about an extra 10 minutes before we started to go down the stairs. This is not the original entrance, this was made so that we can go inside and look. There is very limited English, however in Italian she's able to speak a lot. The further you go in, the more intact things are. So inside you're not supposed to take videos and photos, however since I didn't know any Italian, she allowed me because she didn't want to repeat both languages. In one language it takes 1 hour, in 2 languages it takes 2 hours. It is extremely cold in here, you're not supposed to wear a hat, and things will drip on you. The guide will use her phone torch to show you a bit more detail, and she'll actually touch it, which I was a bit surprised at. Some paintings you can't see because it's around the corner. Basically, the areas with paintings are the richer people. This started in 2015 when they started renovating the castle. The area is very small, a lot of work still needs to be done, but they need permission from 2 councils, one for underneath and one for above. Thanks for watching, please like, comment and subscribe. Bye!